Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your ZArchiver app. So all you have to do, so we go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here and you click here on apps and you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here and you search here for your ZArchiver app here. So just go down here to find it. So and can you only search for it here, so then you when you find it here, so just click here on that cover here, then it's going to take us to next step. Then all you have to do now, just click here on force stop and you click here on OK. Then you go down here, you click here on storage and you come to next step here on storage list. You just click here on clear cache and all you have to do now, so you just restart your phone, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.